Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag SQL Server DBA tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn what is the replication and type of the replication and when we use the each type of the replication. So, what scenario let you talk about the replication? Is replication actually a SQL Server feature is the back behind the scene different technologies put together to replicate the data. So when I talk about the replication of the data, that means that you have a source and you have a destination. Means we have a one source or multiple destination, or one source or one destination. In the replication architecture, the source of the SQL Server data and SQL Server instance and the database and the data in this database that you wanted to distribute from source to destination, that's called the publisher. So from the publisher only we can distribute the data. So but if you really wanted to go in detail how to configure the replication, so watch in my rest of my video. But in this video I am gonna to brief talk about the architecture, so that we have a publisher, then we have a distributor in the server. It an agent, it will say that could that distribute the data to subscriber. So subscriber is the server that receive the data it has subscribed. Could be SQL Server instance, or could be Oracle data is the database, and could be DB2 or any other actually destination that you would like to have the data distributed to. So that a real quick of the architecture of the replication publisher, and one that give you the data where the data is being read and distributed in the one, and who knows this is my publisher, this is my subscriber. So I'm gonna get you data from the publisher, and gonna give you the subscriber, and subscriber is the destination. So that real quickly overview of the architecture of replication. Now let's talk about the type of the replication. There are the three types of the replication. So there are three types of the replication. uh, One is this transaction replication, merge replication, and snapshot replication. So under the what scenario do you use the each type? Just brief tell you. Snapshot is the heart of the replication. All other are the remaining two types of replication. User actually snapshot replication in the beginning. So if you have a requirement that you need to distribute data to different subscriber, and the subscriber doesn't need the real-time data, it could be like a one day, the latency could be like one day, or just need data last night data, they are good with the. Then under the circumstances, the snapshot replication is the best way to go transaction, uh, go the replication. And next is a transaction replication come into the play when you need the real-time data. As soon as some updates, delete, update, insert, update, delete, and whatever the changes of the data of the source label at the publisher publishing label happens, you need to distribute the update to all of the subscriber. That's when the configure the transaction replication. Because as the name suggests, as soon as the transaction happen committed, then it going to go to the subscriber. So there is the other details and how that happen back behind the scene. uh, Other pen, the remaining bit, I have remaining video so about the replication. So far as I just wanted to give you the type base. If the somebody asks you the interview that question, the merge replication uh, question in the transaction replication and snapshot replication. Now go to the merge replication. If you have a requirement that you need to keep publisher and subscriber in the sync, whatever happen in the subscriber side need to the replicate to the publisher, and publisher side need to be happen on the subscriber. Means that either vice versa, means whatever the changes will happen in the publisher and subscriber, it will just uh, merge to the each other. So side need to the happen, so the subscriber, so it in the scenario actually subscriber will act as a publisher, and when the need to the give ever the data on the publisher side, when it receive the data, it will also act best subscribers. So in this way, distributor know what you know. The publisher can also the subscribe at time, and subscriber can also be publisher at that time. So this is the real quick overview of the replication. And we have three types of replication. Hope it helps. Thank you for watching.